So first thing we're going to do for your emergency valve, we're going to flip it towards you, not forward. We want it towards you, facing out. Then we're going to grab our little handle from up under here. And you see we already removed the cover over the emergency controls down here. Usually there's a little retainer pin, but your cover just slides up, and then you can set it right on the machine next to it. And take our pumper handle and jam it in. And then in order to release the brakes, you need to hold in this little brass button right below it until this silver tab pops out. Go ahead and hold that in. Now we're going to pump it. It'll start to get stiff. And then you'll see the little silver guy has popped out. Go ahead and release your brass guy and it'll pop back out. Whenever you're done moving the machine, when you want to stop it from rolling, take the red knob right below there, turn it to the left. Silver guy pops back in, close that back up, and your brakes are locked again.